Hi, I'm Mrs. Tolf, and I'm going to teach you a game called Beginning Sounds Change Up. I made some word family cards. I also use this for a word family flip game. Then I also made some sticky notes, and I just went all the way through the alphabet, including some blends back here, some blends, some digraphs. You can make as many as you want. Next, find a partner or your child and use your word family flip book. And next, you don't want your child to see the words. They're just going to be saying these orally or out loud. So I use something to hide them. And I would do something like this. Say bat. They would say bat. Now change the b to k. What's the new word? And they would say cat. Change the k to d. What's the new word? And they would say dat. Some of these will be real words and some of these will be nonsense words. So then when you would say fat, change the f to g. What's the new word? Gat. Change the g to h. What's the new word? And they would say hat. So you would keep going all the way through the list, reading real words and nonsense words. I hope you have fun learning.